Meaning of holophrasis.
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 Holophrasis. Holophrasis is a linguistic phenomenon where a single word or phrase is used to express a complex idea or thought. This is primarily found in early language development, particularly in infants before they develop the ability to use full sentences. For example, a child might simply say milk to express their desire for milk, rather than saying, "I want some milk, please." This phenomenon also occurs in some animal communication systems. In summary, holophrasis refers to the practice of using a single word or phrase to convey a complete idea, and is commonly observed in early language development.